Oduro bends one, and it's a stunner. An absolute beauty. Oh my word. Hohoe United have jumped into the lead, and it's a brilliant free kick taken by William Oduro. Spectacular. Kamara was caught ball watching with no answers whatsoever. We've seen some brilliant goals this season in the Ghana Premier League, and this is one top class. Hohoe United 1, Kotoko 0.
There is absolutely nothing you can say about the strike. It was inch perfect. He positioned himself right, picked up the angle, went into the top right corner. The goalkeeper was just called ball watching. He couldn't do anything, absolutely nothing he could have done about the strike. Excellent delivery, a peach of a strike from William Oduro.
Oh, magnificent. Well taken, the bend on it, the precision, the accuracy. And it's turned Hohoe Stadium